What does link in bio mean on Instagram? So if you want to know what does link in bio mean, then first of all you have to open up your Instagram application. And now after opening your Instagram, now for example I'll be going to my profile, and under my profile you can see that I have a link of YouTube on my bio. So what does that mean is we can't post our links to our photo or the post or the videos in Instagram. We can only post the links on our bio. So many of the people post their links on their bio. So if you simply go to any one of the profile, for example I'm here with my profile, and if I simply go and tap on the link which I have on my profile, then it will directly take you to the YouTube page because it's the link of YouTube. So as we cannot post them on our photo or on our reels or videos, we have them in our bio. So that's it, that's the only reason, and that's all about link in bio. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.